Alright, hey guys, what's up? It's me, braiding, and not braiding, it's braiding. Anyways, I'm gonna tell you how 2x2x2, a cool trick you can do with it. You can do these simple two moves over and over, and it'll automatically solve itself. That is because it's 4 squares, a cube. So that's how. So you can just do these moves. Boom. And sometimes you mess it up like I just did. But, so I'll just solve it real quick for you. Actually, a really easy solve once you get the hang of it. There. And I will tell you that does not actually work on a real Rubik's Cube, as you can see. So you can see it doesn't really work on a Rubik's Cube. So I'm just gonna do that. Okay. How you do this trick? Watch. Here's my point of view. There we go. It's mirrored, but this side is actually going to be on that side. This side's on that side. So you get an idea of that. It's just mirrored. That's the only problem with this. So the right side of the cube's on this side. When you turn upside down, boom. There you go. That's the right side. And that's the left side. So when you turn upside back, then yeah, it's mirrored. Okay, so my point of view. And then top. So it's basically saying left inverted, top. And keep doing those two moves. So left inverted, top, 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 left inverted, top. And you'll get solved cube. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed. Bye.